belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need.
Okay guys, I am in the car on my way to Ashley Furniture and see if I'm just carrying my bag, my little bag, and gosh, my elbow hurts, and I have on my little bracelet and my watch, some jeans, this green t-shirt you already saw, and that's that. And she's gonna step on out here, and I have my coat. It's raining out here, so we're gonna stay warm. And let me show you what this Ashley cash card looks like. So this is it, and it's just for $500. So yeah, this is what they gave me because of the poor customer service that I received. And I know it sounds crazy that I'm going back, but I have to use this card in the store. I can't, they didn't give me like a Visa card where I can just, use it anywhere. So I'm gonna go in here, which I wanted to get all my furniture from Ashley anyway, so it's cool. If they mess up again, at least I know they'll be willing to accommodate me for the pain and the agony and the high blood pressure that they've given me. So I really need to get a car mount for I wonder if I put y'all over here in this corner.
Take the next right to stay on Vantage Way, then
that.
turn left onto Hood
Let's
Road.
see. Oh, let me get out of these people way. So oh, there's Amazon. Okay, I had to stop recording because as I was pulling out, I saw the Amazon truck, and I have my package, which is for my business, so I won't be able to share that with you, but I'm excited. Y'all, this view is so awkward and ridiculous. I don't understand why traffic was just backed up right there, like merging onto the highway. There's nothing going on. But anyway, it is so awkward trying to find the right view and the angle for this mount. I'm using my phone right now because in my car I don't have a mount for my camera, so I just can't have my camera slide around my dash. There's nowhere for me to put it. So anyway, I'm on my way to Ashley Furniture, and I may try to see if I can vlog in the store like I said, but we don't know how that's gonna go. I wonder if the guy, the sales manager, is in here that sold me all my furniture, like what I tell you, but it made a grip off of me. Okay, because I bought all my furniture through him. Whoa, stay in your lane. I bought all my furniture through him. So, mattresses, 2-bedroom suits, living room suite, and now I'm going back to get my dining room set. So, he did a good job. And I know I got on his last nerve, because honey, I am very particular about things. Everything has to be on the up and up, or mama's gonna go crazy. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to open my Amazon package, see what kind of goodies we can get today. Okay, I think I like this view better. I've been flipping my phone around trying to find the right angle and view. So anyway, my camera had cut off when I turned on my car because my autoplay kicked in every time. It automatically is connected to my phone. So let me just say this, sir, what are you doing? Okay, it feels so good to have, me just being fresh out of a relationship in September and starting over, starting fresh, and just rebuilding my life.
Take the next left onto South Carolina 146 East Woodruff Road.
Just rebuilding my life, because that's what I want to do. I'm buying all new things. I'm starting new jobs. I am starting a new business. Like, my life feels renewed. Everything feels fresh. It feels so good. I'm not dealing with anybody. I'm not dating anybody. I'm taking time to focus on me, and I'm enjoying me. If you get what I'm saying. And I think that's a beautiful thing. And I thank the Lord that He has given me the strength and the wisdom to be able to maintain and survive, because I went through a few things a few years back. I had a bad relationship that kind of merged into another relationship, and sometimes we do that. We don't give ourselves a break and time to breathe and look at what we've learned in life from one relationship to other. We kind of have like these situations where we rebound, which is not always good. And I wouldn't look at my last relationship as a rebound. I just look at it as a learning experience. That person, I really loved that person. I thought that he and I were... Am I turning?
Continue on South Carolina 146 East for half a mile.
Okay. So he and I had talks of getting married and growing old together, and the things that you talk about when you're with someone that you love and you think you're going to be with them to the end of time. I always wanted to say that I was in a relationship and with my husband for 40, 50, 60 years, and I thought he was that one. But
in a quarter mile, continue straight onto Woodruff Road.
And it just feels good to be able to hold things down on your own as a single parent, or just as an individual, and to be able to live your life the way you want to and be happy. I'm just as happy as I want to be sitting in my house with my new shit.
Continue straight onto Woodruff Road, then continue straight onto South Carolina 146 East.
Being how I want to be, and just
continue straight onto South Carolina 146 East Woodruff Road, then turn right onto the I-85 South ramp. Turn right onto the I-85 South ramp.
Y'all, I just missed my day.
Turn right onto the ramp to I-85 South.
I just missed my...
Make a U-turn, then turn left onto the I-85 South ramp.
My exit.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at Woodruff Oaks Lane.
Anyway, starting this YouTube channel, starting my business, starting fresh, having new everything in my house down to my silverware. I mean, like, we eating new.
Make a U-turn, then turn left onto Woodruff Road.
It just feels good to get rid of the old bad vibe, the old
turn left onto Woodruff Road.
Just the old spirit of things. And I'm just very blessed. I'm living in a city that I've never been in before or lived in before, only in passing. So it feels good to be able to be in a foreign land on my own, standing tall, making boss moves, and just starting fresh. I bought my car. I worked my behind off. I worked 2 jobs, and I bought a 2019 vehicle. I got approved for a home last year. I got my credit together. Like, I kind of just picked myself up and dusted myself off. Meantime, while my partner wasn't on the same page, and that kind of made me drift away. So we just weren't on the same page in life. And
in 1,000 feet, turn left onto the I-85 South ramp to Atlanta.
So
turn left onto the I-85 South ramp.
It's okay that we weren't on the same page, but what's not okay is that someone come into your life knowing that they don't want certain things, or don't want what you want, or have the life that you want to live, and they take you through the motions and play with your life.
Continue for half a mile.
That's not okay with me. So I made a decision to leave my relationship. It's the best thing I ever could have done. I still love this man up until like 2 months ago.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-85 South.
Up until 2 months ago. Okay, peace. No more crying. No more, feeling like, what could we have done? I don't even care no more. I'm so good. I feel so good being by myself. We clashed on everything. Even as far as what type of furniture to buy.
Continue on I-85 South for 3 miles. Even just
a small thing as just buying furniture itself. Like, he didn't want to do anything. He didn't want to go anywhere. He didn't want to celebrate life in any capacity. And that whole spirit of the things was not vibing with my spirit. And I just, I was going to settle for that. I'm not settling for that at all. So I feel good. I thank God that He has blessed me to have the strength, the wisdom, and the tenacity to be the woman that I am, to be able to stand tall and face any adversity, So I just went in there and cashed out on my dining room set. I feel good about that. Tomorrow I'll probably go and make the purchases for my business. I'll probably do that tomorrow, because I just spent a chunk of change today, and I may have to do some other things. You know how bank accounts are. Even though I upped the spending capacity on my account, I still don't want to just do all that. So yeah, I feel good. I feel blessed. And even when I get to the point where I'm not able, not able, but don't have to work for someone anymore, don't have to go in and clock in, don't have to be confined to somebody else's rules, what they say, I'm getting ready to make my own
in half
rules.
a mile, keep left to stay on I-85 South.
Thing in my own business. I feel like my lifestyle is being affected, and my spirit is being affected by working for this company and just working, because I have an entrepreneurial
Keep left
heart.
to stay on I-85 South.
Why is so my GPS was still going off. I thought I cut her off, but so anyway, she was still talking, interrupting me. So anyway, like I was saying, I just feel blessed, and I'll be glad when I get to the point where I don't have to go to someone's job. Like, seriously.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on. keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound?
Okay, guys. I am leaving the store. I just purchased my dining room set. Just went ahead and cashed out on it. And I am so excited. I can't wait. It'll be here probably about a week or so. So that's great. Can't wait for that to take place. I'm so excited. Now we can stop eating in the bed and on my sofa, child. Oh my God. So, let's sit you guys right there for a second. Get out of my bag. The guy complimented me on my bag, guys. Guess I made a good purchase. Whew. Okay, so the chairs, I really wanted 2 side chairs to go with my set that matches my set. I'll have to show it to you guys when I get home because I'm vlogging on my phone right now. But anyway, I have the Summer Ford dining set from Ashley Furniture. It was on sale. It's originally over $2,000. It was on sale for $1,183, taxes and everything. excuse me, and yeah, taxes, it came to be like $1,400. So with that $500 gift card that I had, where Ashley accommodated me for the service and the delays and the damaged furniture and the returns and stuff that I had on my other furniture, I end up paying $903 today on a $2,000 dining room set, real wood, perfect. So like I said, I'll show you when I get home what we working with. And y'all, I'm so excited because my house will be coming together. That is the final heavy piece of furniture that I have to purchase for my home, and all I have to do now is just decorate. And I'm excited.
Just pulled up to the house.